right, there's a lot to unpack in this lesson, just these little couple parts of it, and I probably don't have it exactly right, but I just wanted to show you my version of it here and hopefully get you started on it at least, and try to make it clear for beginners. So what I did was I threw a capo on the 5th fret, and that'll get you in key with the song. And we got to do a lot of finger picking, so just get ready for that. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then your thumb is going to pluck that. Your thumb's going to pluck the low E, ring finger is going to pluck the B. Alright, so you're going to pluck those simultaneously. So what you're going to do is pluck those simultaneously. Then you're going to use your index finger to pluck the D and middle finger to pluck the G. So you've got, one more time. Then you're going to set your index finger down on the 1st fret of the B and middle finger down on 2nd fret of the D string. Okay, so that gives you an A minor 7 shape. Now, what's happening is we're going. Okay. So we're following that same ascending plucking pattern. So you've got so, and then thumb's going to pluck A, index finger, D, middle finger plucks G. Alright, so we've got alright. Now the next chord shape, you're going to set your pinky down 3rd fret of B and middle finger is going to hop up to 2nd fret of A. So following that same method, because we went, we got to set our pinky down first, all right? Ring finger's going to grab that next note. So here's what we've got. Time. Alright, now this next chord is kind of tough because it's far away. So you got to bring your pinky all the way up here to physically the 13th fret of the B string. And then index finger is going to set down here on, what is that? I guess physically that's the 10th fret of the A string. And that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets away from the capo. Alright. So that's that next chord. So again, ring finger plucks B, thumb plucks A, index finger plucks D, middle finger plucks G. So here's what we got. Okay. Following that, we got to bring pinky way back down here to 3rd fret of the B string, and then you set your ring finger 3rd fret of the A. So that's going to give you sort of a C add 9 shape, I believe. Suspended 9. So you're going to follow that pattern. Ring finger plucks B, thumb A, index D, middle G. and then you let off and pluck open B. All right, so all that together. Now it's going to repeat that. It does that riff for a while, but when you do the repeat, you're just going to go open B and then right to thumb on low E, and you're starting the riff over. So you're not doing the simultaneous thumb and ring finger pluck on the E and B. That's only the very first time through the riff. So first time through. So see, that second time through, there was no simultaneous pluck, because when you're coming out of that C shape, you let off and you hit the B by itself and then go into the riff. Then there's another riff that goes. So for this one, you need to modify your finger picking pattern just slightly. So what you're going to do, start with, for the chord, start with your index finger, 2nd fret of the D, ring finger, 3rd fret of the high E. And you start with your thumb on D, and your middle finger is going to pluck high E. Then your thumb's going to jump down and pluck G, and then index finger is going to pluck B. So you've got, so you're going thumb on D, middle finger high E, thumb on G, index finger on B. So you go, then you're going to set your middle finger down, 2nd fret of high E, and do the same thing. Then you're going to go back to that first chord and do the same thing. Then you're going to take that exact shape and you're going to hop it up 1 string each. So index finger is 2nd fret of A, ring finger 3rd fret of B. And now you do the exact same plucking pattern, but you have to hop everything up 1 string. So now your thumb has A, middle finger has B, thumb has D, index finger has G. Alright, so just hearing the flow of this. Alright, now you're going to leave ring finger there, 3rd fret of B, add middle finger 3rd fret of A. And this is the part that goes. So now this is pretty much the same, kind of a combination of the two patterns in that your fingers are a little more spread out now. So your thumb's going to pluck the A string, middle finger's going to pluck the E. So you got, now thumb jumps down and plucks G. So you're skipping over the D string. Index finger plucks B. So you do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that whole little piece starts over again. And I believe that spits you back out into a verse again. So that should be, I'm not sure if there was a bridge or anything. If there is, maybe I can do another lesson on that for you guys, but I just wanted to get you started on this tune. So please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.